Hello, my people. How are you all doing? I hope you're having a nice day. Today, I'm cooking salmon fish, and that is butter cut on top of the salmon to put it in the oven to cook. So this butter, or you can drizzle some olive oil and black pepper to bring out the flavor of the salmon fish. It's very healthy for you. It gives you omega-3 and a lot of nutritional nutrients from this fish. And this is the butter I use. I just cut a little slice on top. I might use olive oil as well. Then I will drizzle some black pepper on top. And this is I'm eating it with mashed potato. This is the potato cooking on the fire. So when it is cooked, I'm gonna mash it up with milk and a little bit of spreadable butter or a little bit of drizzle oil, olive oil, to mash it up. That is mashed potato. And this is the veg to serve with it, to eat with it. Broccoli and carrots. I've already peeled the carrot skin off and then chop it off, and the broccoli as well. So they are all cooking. So this is the milk I'm gonna use to mash the mashed potato up. That is for today lunch, basically. And also, if I don't use that other spreadable butter to mash up the potato, I'll use olive oil to put on top as well. It all depends the flavor you want to. So I'm gonna crack on now and put the fish, the salmon fish, wrap it up with the foil and bang it in the oven. So I'm gonna set the oven to 200, then bang it in the oven. So the salmon fish is going in the oven now, wrapped with this butter, and go in the oven. So it's gonna be cooking in the oven for say 10 minutes, 5 minutes. It doesn't take that long to cook. You can see it's in the oven. It's cooking gently and slowly. So guys, today look beautiful though. It looks sunny. Look at the sunny day. Look, it's sunny today. Yesterday was not a very good day. So today is a very good day. Look at the sun, beautiful day, gorgeous day. Look at the blue skies. Look at the blue sky. Look at the blue sky. So while the salmon is cooking in the oven and the potato is cooking on the cooker, and the potato and the vegetables, I'm just gonna show you the lovely day we have today. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Look at the blue skies. Look. Beautiful, look. I'm not putting on jumper today, I'm just putting in my normal top, but it's a bit windy though, but it look fresh today though. It's not that bad like yesterday, horrible day, wet. You can see the sky, blue sky, beautiful day, gorgeous day. So when we see a weather like this, we are so grateful because it doesn't come every day. So when it comes like this, you just grab the day and make use of it. So guys, I'm gonna leave you guys in a minute and concentrate on this cooking, and then when it is ready, I'm gonna show you how the mashed potato gets mashed, and everything is set on the plate. So I'm gonna show you that. So at the moment everything is cooking now, I'm gonna cover up the saucepan where the potato is being cooking, and this is the vegetable is cooking now. I don't put salt, so I don't eat salt. I haven't got salt in my cupboard. I don't use salt. So today I'm eating English food. I'm an African woman, but I try every tribe food. I like mashed potato, roast beef, So the potato is cooking now. You can see the carrots is cooking. slowly. It's cooking. So when it is cooked, now when the potato is cooked, I'm gonna use this spreadable or the olive oil to mash up the potato. I'm gonna use this to mash it up in the pot, in the saucepan. Yeah, so I use this butter, this one, maybe to roast beef or roast chicken, rub on the chicken body, not to allow it to get dry. So I'm putting it back in the fridge. Then I will get back to you guys later and show you how it's got prepared. And see you. Have a nice day. And please keep subscribing. Go down below and keep poking the Conco bell and subscribe and leave your comments. And have a lovely day. Bye. Bye-bye. Cheers.